Yeah, hi all. Today we're going to unbox a new sound bar, which is from Zebronics, and the model is 9800 DWS Pro Dolby Atmos. It's a Zeb Zuke bar series. I can see here totally. You can see the features also of this. What are the inputs and even the subwoofer is supporting the wireless. And we have remote control, LED display, volume. The main features is like Dolby Atmos, True Dolby, Dolby Digital Plus, and Dolby Surround. And if you see this output power, 120 subwoofer and 330 watts of the soundbar. This total we can get the 450 watts, and you can see the remaining features here. You can get how much external USB support is, it is supporting, and the Bluetooth version and all. You can see from outside how it look inside also. And this is the packaging. This is what I got exactly from the Flipkart. And let's quickly unbox it and let's see how it looks like from inside. Here are the wall parts. This is the back side. Let's put it here. You can see you got some bunch of parts, outs and all. Just in the port. See here, we got actual this is what backward ports and the subwoofer and the main, and this is the main sound bar unit. Okay, and these are the connecting ports. You can see USB, optical, aux, HDMI 2 and all. This is the AC in, and I quickly set up and I'll come with a new video like how it performs and all. See you in the next video.